In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. That way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Now let's get started on this exciting journey with Microsoft Copilot. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you have a valid Microsoft 365 subscription. Microsoft Copilot is integrated into the Microsoft 365 suite, so a subscription is essential to get started. If you haven't signed up for Microsoft 365 yet, just head over to the Microsoft website, choose a plan that suits your needs, and get set up with an account. This might take a few moments, but trust me, it's essential for what we're about to do. Once you have your subscription ready, the next step is to go to the Microsoft 365 portal. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and type in office.com or portal.office.com to access the Microsoft 365 portal. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you've logged in before, it should be quite simple. After logging in, take a moment to look around the Microsoft 365 dashboard. This is your hub for all the applications you have access to through your subscription. From Word to Excel and everything in between, each app has its own unique features and benefits. Now let's focus on finding Microsoft Copilot. Depending on your subscription plan, Copilot might not be immediately visible, as it's been rolled out gradually. However, look for the Apps menu or the search bar at the top. Type in Copilot to see if it pops up. If you can't find it, don't worry, just keep an eye out for any updates from Microsoft that announce its availability to your specific subscription tier. Assuming you've found Copilot, click on it and you'll be redirected to a new interface. Here, you can explore its features, which can significantly enhance your productivity by leveraging AI to assist you in tasks across the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, let's delve into the installation process. Although Copilot does not require a traditional installation like standalone software, you might need to ensure that all your Microsoft applications are up to date. To do this, open any Microsoft application like Word or Excel and navigate to the File menu. From there, look for the Account option. Under Product Information, you should see an option that says Update Options. Click on that and choose Update Now. This step ensures you have the latest features, including any enhancements related to Copilot. While your applications are updating, let's talk about settings. Accessing Copilot will often include adjusting some preferences to maximize its potential. Once your apps are updated, use the sidebar on the left in your Microsoft app to locate Options or Settings. Depending on the application, you may find a dedicated section for Copilot or AI features. Here, you can customize how Copilot interacts with you, setting preferences for how often you want its suggestions or how detailed you want its assistance. Now that you have Microsoft Copilot set up, it's time to put it to use. Let's take an example. You're working on a report in Word. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can invoke Copilot by using specific commands or simply asking it to help you brainstorm ideas. Use natural language, just like you're talking to a colleague. For instance, say, Copilot, can you help me outline a report on sales strategies for the last quarter? You'll be amazed at how quickly it responds and provides you tailored suggestions. As you continue to explore Copilot's capabilities, don't hesitate to experiment with different commands and features. The more you engage with it, the more proficient you'll become at leveraging it to your advantage. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Copilot installed and ready to assist you in your daily tasks. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, so embrace it and let Copilot elevate your efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on enhancing your productivity with Microsoft